All right, YouTube. We got another video of the truck. This is of the truck here. So we got the decals put on today. Got it cleaned up a little bit. Not too much, you know, work truck. But, you know, try to get it looking presentable. But those are the decals. Yeah, got them on the doors. Got them on the doors. Got them on the. I think I'm gonna put one like right here, like the logo right there, or something, and maybe the logo on the back of the truck. But if y'all see them, we out here now. You know, at least somebody can see us while we're driving or when we're up on a job, you know, because sometimes you miss marketing like that. And that's all part of the guerrilla marketing, really, because you don't want to miss those customers that are looking for someone and they can't get a hold of anybody. So, you know, so there we go. All right, then.